Hello, cake lovers, welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are diving into the spooky side of sweetness with 15 Halloween drip cakes that are creepy, creative, and totally delicious. Let's clear up some sweet inspiration. The first one is classic black and orange drip cake. A rich black buttercream cake with bright orange ganj, drip, and Halloween sprinkles. Simple yet iconic. The next is Monster Eye Drip Cake. Add candy eyes all over the sides of the cake with a green or purple drip for a Frankie Monster vibe. The next is Bloody Red Velvet Drip Cake. Deep red cake layers inside with bloom blood red gel drips. And a knife topper, scary and perfect for horror fans. The next is Ghosty White Drip Cake. White on white drip with cute fondant ghost toppers and pastel Halloween accent. Spooky and adorable. The next is Witch's Calderon Cake. Black cake with neon green drip bubbling over and fondant potion bubble. Witch hats or broomsticks. The next is Spooky Candy Overload Cake. Colorful drips with Halloween candy scattered on top, candy corn, Jummy Worms, eyeballs, and more. The next is Haunted Purple Drip Cake, purple buttercream with black ganj strip and bat silhouettes flying up the side. Hauntingly beautiful. The next is Spider Web Drip Cake. Use black drip on white buttercream, then pipe a spider web and place edible spiders crawling down. The next is Mummy Drip Cake. White buttercream with red drip and pipe mummy wrap designed with little fondant eye peeking out. The next is Pumpkin Patch Cake. Orange drip or dark green frosting with mimi fondant, pumpkins, vines, and Halloween leaves. The next is Glow in the Dark Neon Cake. Black light reactive neon colored drip. It glow at night parties. The next is Poison Apple Cake. Dark red dripped overload. Black cake with a green apple on top, inspired by fairy tale villains. The next is Skeleton Grip Cake. White or silver drip on black cake, topped with a fondant skeleton head or bones decorations. Jack on Lantern Drip Cake. Bright orange drip, curved face details, and green vines. Classic pumpkin cake with a drip twist. The next is Vampire Bite Cake. White frosting with thin twin red drip coming down from the fang marks. Creepy and clever. The next is Spooky Bento Drip Cakes. Many Halloween bento cakes with little colorful drips. Cobweb, ghost, or portable decorations. Here are some tips for Halloween drip cake success. Chill your cake before dripping. Use contrasting gancho glaze. Add theme toppers after the drip sets. Use edible glitter or sprinkle for an entire effect. Then final cake is cake montage. Which Halloween drip cake spooked you the most? Tell us know in the comment. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your family or who love baking or who try adventurous baking. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas. See you in the next sweet video only on Cakes Factory. Till that, take care of yourself and share your love with others. Thank you. See you in the next sweet video. Goodbye.